Alrighty guys, we're here at another reservoir. I'm just going to be walking around it and see what we can find. There's lots of frogs out here, but I'm going to see if I can catch some turtles. And we got a trap over there set. We're going to check it to see if there's any fish in it. So yeah, let's get over there to that. But yeah guys, we're out here at a reservoir. I don't know if there's anything in there. But yeah, there's two geese up here, they're Canadian geese. And I'm gonna keep on recording until we get up there to the trap, because it is pretty cool. I walked by there and glanced at what was in there. There's a lot of fish in there. I just saw a movement, but yeah, there they go. They're pretty birds, but we're gonna keep on walking up here, see what we can find. I want to come out here and go herping and see if I can bring some friends out here sometime. But let's go up here and let's look for what's in the trap. There's an airplane going over. I can't see it, but we didn't put anything in these first two traps, but there's a lot of fish. Look at them. Look at all the fish down there. Big sunfish, mosquito fish, just a lot of fish in general. But alright, this is a trap. They got some stuff in. Let's check it. Oh yeah, there's lots and lots of little sunfish in there. Sunfish and bluegill. We're gonna set that back. We're gonna come back here later and get them. But I'm gonna keep on walking around this. And that snake a while ago, I think it was a banded water snake. But that's all I know about snakes. I can name about one or two of them, but that's all I got. So I'm gonna pick back the camera. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I find something else. And guys, a while ago I forgot to tell y'all, but I found some salamander eggs. I don't think, it's very odd to find them at this time of year, I guess, because all mine have already hatched out and everything. But they are salamander eggs. I don't know what type they are. I just know they're kind of brown. That's all. But I was figuring we could probably catch some baby turtles out here, maybe ready to slaughter or something. But I haven't really seen that many out here. I don't know why. But I haven't seen any turtles out here all the times I've been out here. I've seen one or two, but I have no clue. But yeah, I gotta watch out for snakes too, because I'm in shorts. And that's not the ideal thing to wear out here. Because I could come across something and it could bite me, and that would be bad. But yeah, Mom's sitting here talking about something. The big bass we cast netted, it died. Noah was gonna take it, but it died. And yeah, so it was a pretty bass too. It was a largemouth. I caught it cast netting 2 days ago. But our pool pond is doing good last time I checked on it, and we're going to get some new animals. That's all I'm going to say on that. And yeah, they're poultry. That's all I can say. So they could either be turkeys, chickens. Holy crap, that was a big frog. But turkeys, chickens, guinea, stuff like that. But that's all I'm gonna say. But we're gonna get them as chicks, babies. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera once we find something else. I'm not really seeing much besides fish and stuff. I can't catch them because I don't have a net. But if I come across something, I'll pick up the camera. And I am being cautious as I walk up here to the salamander eggs, because there could be some snakes, and I don't even know why snakes exist, but they are good for keeping away mice and stuff. Yeah, I'm okay with like little garter snakes and stuff, but when it comes to bigger snakes, no, I don't do that. Go check out Noah L Outdoors, and go check out Jack's channel too. They got some good content. Jack hasn't uploaded in a little while, but he does have some pretty decent content. I'm trying to find the eggs for y'all right now. I covered them up a little bit, but they're close. Oh, here they are. Here they are right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they're right there. See all of them? Little salamander eggs. I see a white one in there, so he might be albino. I see 2 white ones. So there might be some albino, or they might be dead. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Please subscribe, comment what you want to see in the fish tank. And I appreciate y'all watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Alrighty guys, I just walked outside my house and look what I found. There's a skink right there. I think it's a 5-line skink, and it's just basking in the sun there. Let's see if we can walk up on him. It's a big skink. Yep, and there he goes. Wow, he's letting me get pretty close to him. Look at him. Yeah, but that is a 5-line skink. And there he goes. But yeah, I'll walk out here to record the end of this video, and I was going to show you all the pictures of what I caught that afternoon when I was on the reservoir, so let's get to that. Alright guys, this was a catfish. It's a channel cat. I caught him. He was around 2 pounds. He's not that big, but alright, here's the next one, and it is a bluegill, or a green sunfish. He's really big. I'm pretty sure he's a bluegill, but he's really big, and he was around 2 pounds, so that's pretty big for a bluegill. But like I said, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.